Hey guys, Jeff here from Ceramic Pro. I want to show you a quick tip on how to remove wax off of this black plastic trim. So this vehicle, the owner waxes his car himself, and he got a little bit on the black plastic trim, and for the life of it, it would not come off. We have all types of cleaners, things like that, and just nothing really wants to take it off. If you have this white compound on your black plastic trim, here's a little tip on how to remove it. A white eraser. So this is like a school eraser, you know, to do your math. Make a lot of redos, but basically just start hitting it, and you can see it's starting to remove it. So there's my little tip on how to remove compound off a black plastic trim, and you don't have to worry about the eraser ruining the trim by any means. It doesn't make any type of marks or anything on it. If you use strong like solvents or thinners, you can actually damage and melt the black plastic trim. So this is a safe way to remove it, and it works really well.